Next up on the Envision Pulse Tour, we have the wonderful Mr. Maximilian from Screen Research. How are you,
Thank
sir?
you, Ben. I'm very well. Nice to see you again.
I know.
I was missing you after our great interview from last year.
Every year now, every year we have to have drinks, cafe time,
Yes.
and we're supposed to be better talk about the products too. So we don't have anything new this year at the stand. Sure, there's lots going on in R&D in the background.
I think one of the important messages that we can always say is with Screen Research, you have consistency, you have a strong company there. So it's the right horse to bet
Yeah,
if you want a premium projection screens, because we have a history and we have this quality that you know what you get when you get a product like Screen Research.
I think something that we need to touch on, which we didn't maybe go into too much detail last time, is a little bit of the history of Screen Research.
Okay, fantastic. Well, Screen Research has been existing since 2001, so we are almost at a quarter of a century.
Wow.
So it's already a relevant time in our industry.
Yeah.
It used to be a French company at the beginning, Screen Research, but since 2010 was bought by Audioscreen in Poland. So it's a Polish company that is part of a larger group, Adeo Group from Italy. Now, what has made the history of Screen Research is that we were the company and the brand that brought this cinema experience to the next level, thanks to our fantastic, truly acoustically transparent surfaces, the Clear Peaks.
Ah,
And
okay.
we are already at the fourth generation of Clear Peaks acoustically transparent surfaces.
So you've been engineering these products for decades.
Yeah, at least 2 good decades now. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you are the experts in acoustically transparent.
I would say yes, absolutely.
That's amazing. And obviously there's lots of products in your stable. You know, there's lots of SKUs, there's lots of different variations to what you offer. It's not just the screen element of it. There's also an art element of it and things
Absolutely.
along those lines.
The masking solutions, which are obviously for the premium residential channel, if you can afford to have a masking screen, that's the best cinematic experience you will have, right?
Yeah, exactly that. And if you're in the UK, where would we go and see these things?
Well, please absolutely visit the Pulse and Envision showroom. You will have a very broad range of what Screen Research can do at the best.
It's an incredible experience. Obviously, we've talked about it previously. They are in refurbishment at the moment. There's going to be another room we're hearing as well.
Great.
So I can imagine there's going to be a whopping great big screen from you guys that's going to be put into that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And I'm hoping that you're going to come across to tell us all about it at the HQ.
Count on me.
There's a promise right there.
Yes.
So Maximilian in the UK to tell all of you guys about what screens you should be installing and why you should be installing Screen Research.
Thank you very much.
Cheers!